Lawrence Warunge, who was detained last Friday, was presented in court where investigators were given 14 more days to allow further investigations to conclude their probe.
From the time that we arrested the respondents, the time has been insufficient to enable us to conclude investigations, Your Honor. We are still in the process of recovering more exhibits, Your Honor.
After his arrest last Friday, he confessed to the incident and led police to a residence in Mai Mahiu area on Saturday, where they recovered the killer weapon, a kitchen knife, piece of clothes, shoes, and a piece of paper. He had thrown the exhibits to a pit latrine. He claimed his acts were influenced by a British show, Killing Eve.
We also want, Your Honor, to conduct a DNA test on the respondents for comparison with the exhibits recovered, Your Honor. Your Honor, the investigation is mobile since we are moving from one point to another in respect to redocumenting the initial suspect's movement.
An emotionless Warunge accepted the charges when asked if he pleaded guilty. He confessed over the killing of 4 members of his family and their farmhand in Karura village.
First respondent, have you heard? Any comment? You have understood and you have no comment. That means that you have no objection to that application.
Consequently, Christian Kadima, suspected of the murder of lawyer Elizabeth Koki, has been arraigned at the Mavoko Law Courts with Principal Magistrate Bernard Kasavuli, giving detectives investigating the murder 14 days to conclude their investigations into the killing.
You will be remanded at Mlolongo Police Station for 14 days to allow the investigating officers to conclude their investigations. You will be brought back to this court after the 14 days in order to know whether you will be charged or what will happen to your case thereafter.
The investigations will include the suspect's real identity and the crime he allegedly committed. DCI officers probing the matter revealed that the suspect was arrested at a lodging in Melani accommodation located in Roster House within the Nairobi city at around 11 p.m. after he fled the crime scene.
In which to remand the suspect at Mlolongo Police Station for a further 14 days. The prosecution highlighted a few issues as to the reasons for the application. One of them was the identity of the suspect. He's still a suspect because he has not taken plea. And they said that he bears several names as is appearing in several documents that they have.
The case will be mentioned on January the 25th. Lucy Riley, Ebru TV.